Boxie has a Chrome browser extension for capturing video of what happens on your screen. This tool is useful for recording video tutorials, video conferences, helping others by explaining something on screen, for example, a how-to on a software application, or even offering personalized video feedback. The extension can be downloaded from the Chrome Web Store by searching for Class in the Box or CITB Rec. All videos captured with it are stored in the My Videos section, so they can be pinned and tagged just like a video uploaded from our device. In fact, there is an option to add pins and tags live while recording. The extension allows for full screen recording or tab recording. It also allows for inserting the narrator's image in a small window, etc. After finishing a recording and pressing the stop button, the user can trim the beginning and end of the video before it is uploaded to the My Videos section. The extension has many other options described in a small guided tour that appears on the first access and is always available through the robot icon. Logging in is necessary to access the extension and link the recording to the Boxie user profile. The recording duration depends on the plan subscribed to, ranging from 30 minutes for free accounts to 90 minutes for school plan accounts.